Hi, in this video, let's take a look into product suggestions endpoint. And what's it? It's basically search keywords. When I type something, I get a suggestions for the product, which I'm able to get some suggestions. To demonstrate it, let's start. Let's start with an example. And let's say I have this bag organ my brown. So internal external search here. So I'm going to add, let's say, just for example, my bag, right? So I'm going to have this my bag. I'm going to publish this, and let me open my commercetools Postman collection, and let me select my project environment, and I'm going to open my access token so that I can make a query. And my access token is created, and now jump into this product projections and product projections and get suggestions. I'm going to use this get suggestions keywords, this endpoint, product projections suggest endpoint. Okay, so we're going to start with search keywords. But I'm not going to use that, but I'm going to think of, I'm going to use this search keyword, the language. So I'm going to use my language here is English. So I'm going to use the English one. And let's go to my Postman collection. I'm going to add this new parameter. And I'm going to replace that language with the English, which is EN. And the value is I can search for example, I've used my bag. So I'm going to use my bag. So I should get at least one result when I search for it. And I can also limit the search 5, 10, 1, whatever I'm going to have. And let's try to do this. Okay, invalid arguments. And yes, of course, I have to remove this floor bracket. So I should use this. You see here, I got one suggestion. Let's see if it is, let's see, I type something randomly, some random text if I get it. I don't get it, so I'm gonna make this back again, my bag. So I get the one result. What if I make mistake? I try to enter this, but while typing faster, I mistype it. And what happens? You get 0 results, but we can provide such mistypes. And if you use fuzzy, if you make it true, let's see what happens. We get the result here. Okay, and now let's make this even. We can add one more, like I can add my custom bag, for example. If you wanted to have a complete search with white spaces, the words with white spaces, you can use a quotes, and let me make it publish. And let's go to the Postman collection, and we're gonna make this, and we're gonna check here I'm gonna copy this value, or my custom bag. Okay, go to my custom bag here, my custom bag. At least I should get one suggestion here. Yes, I get my custom bag suggestion. But let's add one more before we move into the TypeScript SDK. So let me add just like this favorite bag with not quotes. And let's see what happens if I just enter bag. Nothing I get. And also favorite bag. I get 0 results. Oh, because I've not saved it, I have to publish it, and I'm gonna get this. No, it's still not visible. Okay, and which is, let's see this fav. Yes, now I get the favorite and bag, because I have to use only the quotes to make the quotes. That's why it works here. And let's just add only the fav. I still get it, and also just for bag, also I still get it. No, bag I didn't get it because it's not the prefix. And for the favorite, I get it because it's in the prefix. It's in the starting part of the search. And bag, will not get it. Okay, so now let's move into TypeScript SDK. Let's take a look into product projections suggest in TypeScript using TypeScript SDK. I'm going to open this. Of course, I'm going to remove this search, and I've used a search endpoint. Now I think I have to use suggest endpoint. So I'm going to press Control Space, and you see here I get a suggest, and I get the request. And now I have to use, I'm going to remove this and make this, and I can make this suggest. Suggest endpoint. And in the example, I can also say, you can see fuzzy, sort, staged, search keyword, query endpoint. I'm going to make this search keyword. And you see here, there should be some text or some keywords. You see here the key string query parameter. So I'm going to use this Swiss key, and let's use my bag. That's our first one of the keywords. And my bag, let's see, I'm gonna clear this. I'm gonna make a call. You see here, I get my bag with stairs 200 and one example. Let's see if I'm gonna get this example. I get empty, and ice game bag. Instead of bag, I'm gonna make this. Let's see if I can get anything here. And it's again empty, but let's gonna change that by just using fuzzy, and we can just make it true, the fuzzy search true, which makes our typos. We can also use typos to query, and you see here now I get this. And I can also search for fav because I have the fav bag. And let's see this option. Yes, I get my text fair bag and my custom bag. My custom bag. And let's see if it works. Yes, it works. And let's see if I just remove this part, will it work? I should. My expectation is it should not work because we added a quote. That means the search term always have to come with quote. Yes, that's right. It didn't work. And let's see if it's with bag. If anything works with bag, I should also expect not to work. It should be empty. Yes, it's empty. Let's check with just a favorite bag. Should get a favorite bag search query. Yes, and anything with the favorite. Let's see here. Yes, we get this favorite bag search query keywords. All right, that's it for in the product projection suggestion example, and hopefully it is useful. Thank you.